All right. Now that's a review a little bit. Stop touching Lyndon. He said no. No consent.
Need consent.
All right, so there's French mathematician Michael Rules. He published a theorem in 1691. It's not that important. But he hates calculus, right? Early he hates calculus, but then he doesn't like Newton, and then later on, but like as a mathematician, he kind of figured out like Newton's research was very good, so he started becoming like change around, like says, okay, well, I don't like him, but I think calculus is good for the world. So he started to come up theorems for calculus. And I personally, I like his theorem, but his theorem is not tested a lot. The theorem that's tested a lot is actually Ming-Bao, like a precursor of the Ming-Bao theorem. So his theorem is called Rolle's theorem.
I thought you said rule. Yeah, you said what is it pronunciation? So yeah.
Now, I will say that circle that O, that's very important because that kind of remind you what this theorem's about. So Rolle's theorem, his name is Michael Rolles. That's his full name. So they just have a theorem after them. If you're smart enough, one day, you have a theorem named after you. Actually, I don't know which one's more better, like theorem or law. Like you know how
Theorem means reason can be proven wrong. Law is like true. But theorem, you're so smart. Like you're going outside what's given. Like you're creating something.
Okay, so those of you good at geometry, what's the difference between postulate and theorem?
Between what?
Postulate. You know how like you got correspondent angle? It's not a theorem. It's correspondent angle is actually postulate. And the alternative interior angle is alternative interior angle theorem. But correspondence is actually postulate. So let you think about it. What's the difference between postulate and theorems? So like it was not able to prove. They cannot come up anything to prove, but it's just true. But yeah, a correspondence is not able to prove it, but alternative interior angle can be proven. Okay, so Rolle's theorem says there were a few conditions. The first condition for Rolle's theorem is f must be continuous.
Can you answer that?
Sure. And the bracket A to B, why is bracket? Because it's very important that you have bracket here. Second thing is f of x must be differentiable. Parenthesis A to B. Now parenthesis, that means not including A, not including B, because first of all, it's not differentiable at endpoints. So